We visited the Kantamanto market today to find out if the traders had stopped rebuilding the wooden structures that got burnt in the recent fire disaster. Some days after the fire incident, the Gbese Stool, led by the Paramount Chief Nii Ayi Bonte, warned against unauthorized construction of wooden structures on the Kantamanto land, stressing that the property is not owned by government. The Gbese Traditional Authority disclosed plans to collaborate with investors for development of the land.
On January 2, 2025, a fire ravaged the Kantamanto market, destroying over 100 shops and properties. After firefighters brought the blaze under control, traders returned to the site to clear the debris to rebuild the markets. However, the Paramount Chief of Gbese Stool has warned the traders against rebuilding the markets. We are here to assess whether the traders are adhering to the directive.
When the news team arrived at the Kantamanto market, traders were actively rebuilding their shares, regardless the directive issued by the Gbese Stool under the leadership of the Paramount Chief Nii Ayi Bonte. The Kantamanto market is occupied by wooden structures.
Ghana Biden this as my tiso. I would a lease. As every 50 years ahead. But Ghana buy. And that Roma. When na himfo ene we biara enkasa na bibia enyekom na Ghana ba so ma meboae o sika fam
fitis ni nyina ha ne didi ana asase so yetimi asase so ye dey infantry se mpelifo no aban mpelifo bae mba wo membe kasa ya se fa no timi njimfi like omo njimfi yensem no yenso ye den yenso ye gina so omo no kasa yetu a ye friends yentu betimi ye den etu ba ye friends kasa friends yentu a ye no omo ntimi ye den enya adwe
asam ne de yate ye kasa ente ya na eboa yate ni nyina wohene ne de no nanso ye mpanimfo se mayen kan wo hwefi so omo ne no omo wa ha ye hwe wo bibia ni omo ne fight mayen.
The once bustling business hub is gradually coming back to life as some traders have begun selling their wares under newly constructed wooden structures.
The
chairman of the Used Clothes Association, Mr. Michael Opon, spoke on the current state of the market in an interview with Gbese News.
Sabi gusu aye adwuma no ye hwese ebedu kebia memenda na adwada no ke aboso nyina awie nti se ne beboa ma obi biara etimi nya kwa ton ne nema.
The traders are calling on government to help them bounce back.
Ntitibia ye sese ni hia ban se obeba beso asene na waboa yama sebe babi ayetena ye de hwe ye busua ene ye ma no yetimi anya.
This amity me a single parent. Me 14 base na she. Enti mesa aban ene aban mu mpanimfo wo hu atitufo ewo mu bia mpanimfo ewo mu bia se so mu twa mani mahwe.
The National Disaster Management Organization NADMO visited the market to register traders who were affected by the fire outbreak in the preparation for potential assistance. Meanwhile, the All Foundation was also present, providing free health screening to the traders affected by the fire.
When the incident happened, because we work directly with them, we know that there will definitely be injuries and people will have high BPs and some other medical issues. So we are here to offer free screening. We are checking people's BPs, their sugar levels. We are giving people medical relief, especially people who have been injured as a result of the fire and have gone to the hospital to receive medical treatment.
The devastating fire has left hundreds of traders grappling with significant losses and seeking support to rebuild their livelihoods. Reporting for Gbese News, Nana Echan Abuaje, Kantamanto, Accra.